Hey guys, my name is Christian. This is my Golf GTI Mk4. It's a old story though. I am not. Back in the days when I was like 10 years old, I used to see the same car, an orange one and gray, a GTI too. As a 1.8 turbo, I remember. I used to hear that noise. I used to hear the engine. And it used to park always next to my house. You know, and I always used to see this car like right there. And I said to myself, like, when I get older, I'm gonna get one. And here it is, 20 years later. I got my own. It was pretty beat up, but I fix it up, spray it, tune up the engine, as you can see. And yeah, pretty good condition right now. So this is how I started. Like, I saw this car when I was a kid, and then I wanted one for myself. All right, well, let's talk about my engine. Basically is a 1.8 turbo. It came with a KO3 turbo, but I switched it to a KO4 from an Audi S3. Bigger injectors, 386 injectors from an Audi S3. Charge pipe, oh shit, not charge pipe. Front intercooler. R8M coils, air filter. It's completely straight pipe, so literally like straight pipe. Only the tip. And what I remember, the mods, all the mods I did, coilovers. I have ECS tuning coilovers. The wheel specs. Well, these are BBS RCs. They're originally from a Golf GTI that I bought from a friend that he had crashed his. So sorry to say that, but I bought it from him and I installed it in my car. And oh my, one of my friends just arrived with his GTI making noise. So yeah. And I pretty like we sand the whole car, we paint the whole car, we put it back to shape. It was very in bad condition. I'm sure I'm gonna show you some pictures of how it was before and now, and you will see like it's how it looked is not. It was not looking like this before. So a lot have changed. I chose the GTI because like it was my car when I grow up, I wanted always this car. Like other people always keep telling me, "Oh, why you don't buy a V8 or something powerful, muscular, or American car or a big engine?" I'm like, man, sometimes you don't even need a big engine to go fast. Like this itty small cylinder can give a lot of health to a lot of cars.